Today is day 18 for my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 18.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So here's door number 18. It's in the middle of the right half of this calendar. These doors are getting harder and harder to open without like ripping entire sections. I guess I could rip this entire section because I've seen everything in this entire section. Today's door says shine bright, and we have cherry Christmas spice spread. That sounds so good. This has a beautiful deep burgundy color. And that's what it looks like. It's like a medium consistency. It's really good. I love the Christmas spices added to the cherry. It's like cinnamon, cloves, maybe a little bit of nutmeg. It's just really delicious. I just read the ingredients and it's cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and clove. I'm here with my Dash Mini Griddle and I thought I would make some fried apples today. I think this fruit spread would go really well with some fried apples as like a glaze for the apples because it does have the Christmas spices in it and the color would look really pretty. So that's what I'm going to do. This is my Dash Mini Griddle. I just plugged it in. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, then we could start cooking. So the blue light has gone off. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to put some butter on the bottom. I just want to coat the bottom with some butter, and then I'm going to add some apple pieces. So I've cut up a small apple. I'm just going to put in as many pieces as will fit. These will cook down. I think that's good. So let's shut this and then I'll be back in around 4 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now. There's a whole lot of steam coming out of this. I just wanted to take a look to see what's going on. So there's some browning on the pieces that hit the top, and the apple is starting to soften, which is nice. I wish it was easier to flip these over. It's kind of hard to do that without making a big mess. I'm using my tiny spatula. But can you see how the apples are cooking down? Okay, let's shut this and let's come back in like another 2 minutes. So it's been another minute and the tops are getting brown again. But the apples still have a little ways to go. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter and that'll melt down. It's been about another 30 seconds and the pieces that are hitting the top are getting like really browned. And just in general, the apple is starting to look more cooked. I'm going to let it continue to cook with the cover open like this because there's a whole lot of steam coming off of this. And I don't want the pieces to get burnt from the top. So I'm just going to cook it a little while longer. They look really good though. These are just about done. I don't know if you could see it. See how the bottoms are browning now also? So I'm going to say that these are done. They're nicely cooked. So all I'm going to do is take some of the fruit spread and I'll probably take like a tablespoon of it. And this is where a lot of the flavor is going to come in with the spices. And it should give these a nice color, hopefully. I'm going to unplug it. Yeah, I think these look really nice. I'm going to go grab a bowl. So these are my cherry and Christmas spice fried apples. I think they look really good. They would be delicious with some whipped cream on top. They would also be delicious on top of like a piece of pound cake, for example, or even on top of some ice cream. These would be wonderful on top of ice cream. So now let's taste these. The apples are nice and soft. They're really good. So they're like cherry glazed apples with a hint of Christmas spice. Very delicious. I really wish I had some whipped cream right now, because this is just like crying out for whipped cream. But they're really good on their own also. So I'm having this as my dessert right now, but it would also make a nice little sweet side dish. And what I'm also thinking is I could have fried some raisins in with the apples, and that would have been really, really good also. And so that's what I did today with the fruit spread from my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel to see what else is in this Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a very happy holiday season.